Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for different classes. First, understand your personal learning style, whether visual, auditory, or kinesthetic, to tailor your approach. Next, create a consistent, distraction-free study space. This helps your brain associate the area with focused work. Finally, break down big tasks into smaller, manageable chunks to avoid feeling overwhelmed and to maintain momentum. For STEM subjects like math and science, active problem solving is key. Don't just read solutions, work through problems yourself. Regularly review your lecture notes and textbook examples, paying close attention to the steps and underlying principles. Collaborating with peers in study groups can also clarify difficult topics and offer new perspectives, making complex ideas more accessible. When studying humanities or writing-intensive classes, focus on deep engagement with the material. Read actively, highlighting key arguments and taking detailed notes that connect ideas. Practice critical analysis and essay writing frequently to refine your ability to articulate complex thoughts. Participating in class discussions also helps solidify your understanding and exposes you to diverse interpretations. To ensure long-term retention, incorporate spaced repetition into your study routine, reviewing material at increasing intervals. Regularly test yourself with practice questions or flashcards to identify areas needing more attention. This active recall strengthens memory pathways. Also, make sure to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals to help you stay organized and fueled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.